Hi folks, Kevin with the A-Home Design. I want to show you a bathroom that we recently remodeled. It's a beautiful bathroom, it's a master bathroom. And I'm going to give you a tour in this bathroom for you. As you come in, please, you will see this is the toilet area. Not much has happened over there, just the tiling has been renewed, painted, and the toilet has been changed, new fan. Previously the setup in this bathroom, the vanities were in the same place, but the tub here was built in with a frame. It was kind of decked in tub, which we removed that and we put a freestanding tub. We installed the freestanding tub, which is it has a unique shape actually, it looks beautiful. And new vanities, new lighting, recessed light, new mirrors. The shutters were here. And as we come around, I want to show you from the other angle. The shower over here was much smaller. It was very shallow. It was just back to here, but we extended it out with glass. We made the shower pretty big. And retied the whole shower. Linear drain at the bottom of the shower pan. Custom frameless glass, which made everything kind of seamless. This bathroom is so spacious and looks so nice. And as you move over here, of course, this was already a pre-existing fireplace, which it's a two-sided fireplace to the sitting room and the bathroom, and we put quartz around it. This quartz is the same quartz that is used for the countertops that's on the wall. It's one piece all around, and it's cut in the middle of it. All right, thank you very much for watching, and you can go on our website and see the before pictures of this bathroom, then you can compare the before and after, see what happened here. It's pretty interesting, and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you, and all have a good day.